Friday morning, everyone, from LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram. What a beautiful morning it is here today at the city. My name is Bam Hardy, the lifestyle consultant, and today I want to introduce you or reintroduce to you my program called CoreMaster Revolution. A little bit of history on CoreMaster Revolution. I started this program back in 2017, and for the last 3 years I've been experimenting on my weighted jump rope choreography with all sorts of people, with children, with foreign domestic workers, for seniors as well as working adults like yourself. And I find that it is very helpful because it does it has many benefits. So what I'm going to talk about today is just to share with you. I started this program called Skip Aerobics back in 2007, and the reason why I did that was because kickboxing aerobics was getting too easy for me. So I wanted something that helped the brain a little bit more cognitively. I wanted something that could help someone who's about 30 to 60 years old. I wanted to create a program where it actually helps strengthen the ankles, calf muscles and joints in the lower extremities. I wanted something to help someone who is about almost 6 feet tall like myself. I wanted also a program that could help someone who's even more than 200 pounds. And I created this program. So CoreMaster Revolution is Singapore's first weighted rope choreography program. So today I'm going to show you some basic moves called the double jump or double hops or 2 feet. There are all sorts of names. And very simple, I'm going to show you a warm-up sequence on how I do a warm-up, and then I'm going to show you exactly how you do it with the jump rope. So without further ado, let's get straight to the jump. Again, this is Bam Hardy, the lifestyle consultant, representing CoreMaster Revolution. I'll see you in my next video. Take care and have a great day.